Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the integrated terminal building of Veer Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair through video conferencing. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today launches CRCS Sahara Refund Portal today in New Delhi. The Bharat Janata Party has said that 38 parties will be participating in the National Democratic Alliance meeting, which is going to be held in the national capital today. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Piyush Goyal has launched the sale of subsidized chana dal under the brand name Bharat Dal at a rate of 60 rupees per kilogram for 1 kilogram pack and 55 rupees per kilogram for 30 kilogram pack. In Jammu and Kashmir, 4 terrorists were killed by security forces in a joint operation by the Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police in frontier district of Poonch today.